0 less than h less than q. Then what is the value limit n tends to infinity q power n plus h power n whole power 1 by n. Now, when n tends to infinity, there are three formulas. It is very clearly given h is less than q. So, let us take a q common. Q power n, h power n, q power n 1 by. So, n cancel, it become q and this become h by q. So, it is very simple because h less than q, h by q will be less than 1. 1 power infinity becomes 0 and this is 0. So, 1 plus 0 whole power 0 become 1. So, what is your final answer? Q into 1 plus 0 power 0, nothing but q only. So, option number 3. Now, here let us write 1, 2 formulas based on infinity, right. See here, limit n infinity a into x to the power of m by b into x power n. So, this will give you a by b when m is equal to n. If numerator is more, it tends to infinity. If denominator is more, it tends to 0. So, 3 answers are there. Similarly, for this q by h, what we have done just now, for that 3 more formulas. Just write down these formulas. A power n by b power n is equal to 1 if a is equal to b. If a is more than b, it becomes infinity. If b is more than a, it becomes 0. So, mostly in the infinity limits, we use these 3 only formulas, so that remaining problems we can do based on this. Question number 30. See, what is the question number 30? Limit extending to infinity, root under x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x. Now, let us take rationalization. X square 2x minus 1 minus x square by conjugate plus x. Now, this x square get cancelled. If you observe quotient of x square in the numerator by quotient of x square in the denominator. Just now I told when m is equal to n, quotient by quotient. So, here quotient of x square not, it is x only. So, 2 is there in the numerator, here 1 is there, here 1 is there. So, it become 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. So, option number 4 is the right answer. So, using previous formula, highest power in the numerator x, in the denominator also this is root x square means x only, x plus x is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So, final answer is 1. Question number 31. Let us see. This is given limit n tends to infinity sigma h 1 to n 1 by n cube h square into x. What is this answer? Same old method, we get same formula. Let us see. If you apply sigma, take x common and h square means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on n square by n cube. So, you can take x outside. Sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Of course, this n cube also there. So, as we said, quotient of n cube in the numerator 2, quotient of n cube in the denominator 6. So, it becomes x by 3. Now, question number 32. Let us see what is question number 32. Limit extending to infinity. Limit extending to infinity 2x plus 7 sin x by 4x plus 3 cos x, right. Now, what we do? Take x common from the numerator. Let us see what we get, right. Take x from the denominator, 4 plus 3 cos x by x. This x cancel. If you apply the limit, as I said here, sin x maximum value 1, 1 by infinity 0, minimum value minus 1, minus 1 by infinity 0. Same thing for cos x also. This become 7 into 0, this become 3 into 0. It's nothing but 2 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So, option number 3. 3 is the right option, which is 1 by 2, right. Now, we will go for the next question, 33. Question number 33. Let us see what is question number 33. Limit extending to infinity sin of root under x plus 1 minus sin of root x. So, we can apply sin c minus sin d. Previously, we applied some cos c minus cos d, transformations, trigonometry formula. Now, let us go for sin c minus sin d. Let us see what we get. What is sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, right. Let us see. Now, if you take rationalization here, become this will give you this, right. Now, this x cancel. Now, if you put infinity, this become 1 by infinity, n is 0. So, this will become again minus 1 to plus 1. So, your answer will become cos value into sin 0. So, totally 0, result as 0. Option number 3 is the right option. Okay, we will go for now question number 34. Let us see what is the question number 34. Question number 34. Limit extending to infinity modulus of 3x square plus 1 by 2x square plus 1. Here the mod function will give you the difference between positive and negative, absolute value always positive, but already infinity means it is already positive only. So, there is no use of modulus here. So, directly you can go for quotient of x square is 3, quotient of x square is 2. So, directly you can take quotient of x square in the numerator by quotient of x square in the denominator, which is nothing but 3 by 2. So, your answer is first option. 3 by 2 is the right answer. Since infinity means positive only. So, even though if you open the mod function, directly you get 3 by 2. Now, question number 35. Let us see what is question number 35. Limit n tends to infinity 3 into 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus 4 into 5 to the power of n plus 1 whole by 5 into 2 to the power of n plus 7 into 5 power. Now, as n tends to infinity, among 2 power n and 5 power n, 5 is the more value. Like we have done one problem, no? H less than q, same model. Here also 2 power n among 5 power n, 5 power n is great. So, let us take 5 power n common. 2 power n into 2, 5 power n 5 by 5 into 2 power n 7 into 5. Now, take 5 power n common from the numerator. Then this become 6 into 2 power n by 5 power n. This is 4 5s are 20. Same in the denominator, take 5 power n common. So, this become 2 power n by 5 power n plus 7. So, very simple, 2 by 5 means less than 1, 1 power infinity tends to 0. So, it will give you 0 minus 20 by 0 plus 7. So, what is your final answer? Minus 20 by 7. So, first option is the right answer. Now, we will move for question number 36. Question number 36. Limit n tends to infinity, sum of odd numbers by sum of even numbers. Sum of odd number by sum of even. So, it is very simple, when n tends to infinity, sum of odd number, sum of even number will be equal only. So, you get sum k by k 1. Since limit n tends to infinity, sum of odd numbers almost equal to sum of even number, there makes no difference. So, both are equal value almost k by k, which is 1, k is finite value, right. So, answer is 1 and second option is right answer. Second option is the right answer. So, we will move for next question, question number 37. Let us see what is the question number 37. Limit n tends to infinity, right. 1 by 1 into 3, it is not 1.3, it is 1 into 3 plus 1 by, it is not 3.5, 3 into 5, so on, 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. What is the value? So, it is very simple, What is the difference here? 2, no? So, multiply and divide with the 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Similarly, this minus this. Now, let us separate these values. Let us see what is the answer. This can be written as 1 minus 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So on 1 by 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1. Now, if you observe, this get cancelled, this get cancelled up to here. So, finally, limit n tends to infinity 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2n plus 1. When denominator is infinity, 1 by infinity tends to what? N is 0. So, your final answer is 1 by 2. So, this is nothing but second option. 1 by 2 is the right answer. Now, let us move for question number 38. Question number 38. Now, this is given limits and continuity. What is limits and continuity? Till now, we are finding only limit value, that is left hand limit and right hand limit. Both are equal, we write the answer. Not equal, does not exist. Now, we will go for continuity, means exact value also will be there. Suppose extending to a is there, f of a minus and f of a plus, that is limit value. F of a also we consider now, any 3 values, f of a minus, f of a, f of a plus. If all the 3 equal, that become continuous. Only f a minus f a plus, left hand limit and right hand limit equal, that is called limit exists. Till now what we are doing. If they are not equal, that is does not exist. All the 3 equal, continuous. Now, here problem is given like this. F of x is equal to, f of x is defined, definition given, 2 sin x sin 2x by 2 cos x, 2x cos x. When x not equal to 0, we have to make use this. When x is equal to 0, it is given a. If it is continuous, what is a value? If f of x is continuous, then what is a value? It is nothing but previous problem only, limit value if you find out and make it equal to a. So, let us see what is a. Limit extending to 0, 2 sin x sin 2x by 2x cos x. Now, limit extending to 0, 2 sin x cos x, that is sin 2x formula, whole by 2x cos x. Very simple. You take this sin x common, this sin x common, this x, cancel it. Then it becomes 2 minus 2 cos x by 2 cos x. If you submit the limit, 2 minus 2 by 2, which is 0. So, fourth option is the right answer. Right? Now, let us move for next question, question number 39. Question number 39. What is question number 39? F of x is equal to 1 plus 3x square cos 2x by x square when x not equal to 0. That is the definition given. And for x is equal to 0, given k. If it is continuous, what is k value? Same like previous problem, just apply the limit only. So, if it is continuous, then what is k? So, k is equal to limit extending to 0 f of x x is now extending to 0 1 minus cos 2x by x square 3x square by x square. This is 2 sin square x, no? 2 sin square x by x square. This is 3. This is cancelled. So, final answer is 2 plus 3, 5. So, k is equal to 5. Any option 2. Second option is the right answer. Right? So, question number 40. So, what we understand now, either continuous or limit, we are finding only limit value. Previously answer we are finding, now they are asking answer is equal to k, what is k value? We are doing same method for the both continuity and as well as limits also. So, let us go for the next question now. Question number 40, right. Here also definition given, f of x is equal to 4 different definitions are given. First one is x minus 5, when x less than or equal to 1 we make use this. Next 4x square minus 9, this is another definition. 1 to 2, when x is between 1 to 2 we have to make use 4x square minus 9. Now, one more definition, 3x plus 4 when x greater than or equal to 2 or greater than 2 only given. Now, what is f of 2 plus minus f of 2 minus? Very simple answer. 2 plus means greater than 2. So, submit 2 here. So, 3 into 2 plus 4. This is one value. 2 minus means left side of 2, yani 4x square minus 9. Now, let us see what is the value. 6 plus 4, yani 10. This is 16 minus 9, 7. So, 10 minus 7, we are getting 3. That is third option. Option also 3, answer also 3. Less 2 plus means right side. 2 minus means left side. So, 2 minus means use this one. Greater than 2 or 2 plus means use 3x plus 4. So, you got option 3. Next, 41. Question number 41. Next question. Let us see what is the next question. Same again, continuity, f of x, different definitions are given. Let us see what are the definitions. F of x is equal to x minus 2 by x square minus 3x plus 2 when x not equal to 1 and 2. This is also we can write or minus 1 comma 2, any except 1 and 2 you can use any number here. Now, when x is equal to 1 use 2 and 1 when x is equal to 2. So, when 1 we have to make use 2, when 2 it is 1. This is the definition given for f of x. Now, what is the question? Question is given limit extending to 2 f of x minus f of 2 by x minus 2. What is the value? Let us see. F of x means this one. Right, minus f of 2, any 1 by x minus 2, right. Let us see this. This x minus 2 got cancelled. Now, let us simplify. If you take LCM, 1 minus x plus 1 by this x minus 1, this x minus 2 also there. This is 2 minus x and this is x minus 2. So, minus 1 times cancel. So, if you apply extending to 2 here, minus 1 by x minus 1 is there. So, 2 minus 1. So, final answer is minus 1. Second option is the right answer. Minus 1 is the answer. Right? We will go for next problem 42. Here again definitions, different definitions for f of x is given and we follow according to definition. Step of x, integer part of x, when minus 3 to 1. Between minus 3 and minus 1 use step x. Next mod x, when x is equal to minus 1 to plus 1. And finally, 1 minus step of minus x from 1 to 3, 1 less than or equal to. Now, question is f of x is positive for what value of x? This is the question. It is very simple, minus 3 to minus 1 all integer parts negative only. So, you do not get any value from the first definition. Minus 1 to 1, this is absolute value, mod x. If you put negative, mod minus 1 become 1. When you put 1 also it become. So, what we understand here, second definition, mod x always greater than or equal to 0. So, we can use minus 1 to 1. Now, 1 to 3, step of minus x. So, 1 to 3 is positive. If you put here, it will become negative and again minus is there. So, minus into minus, it become plus. So, 1 minus step of minus x will give you 1 plus some positive value. Okay? So, this is also positive. So, this value is 1 to 3, right. Now, if you make union, finally, what is your x value? Minus 1 to 3. So, first option is the right answer, minus 1 to 3. In this range, this will become positive, this will become positive. So, we will make use this minus 1 to 1, 1 to 3, total is minus 1 to 3. Now, question number 43, next question. What is question number 43? Again here definition, two different definitions for f of x. One is 2x plus d if x less than alpha, use this definition, and x plus d if x greater than alpha, use this definition. Now, what is the question? Limit extending to alpha, limit extending to alpha, f of x is equal to L. Then what is L value? This is the question. So, to get f of x is equal to L, right hand limit, left hand limit must be equal first. So, what we understand from this? F of alpha minus must be equal to f of alpha plus. Let us see. 2 alpha plus b is equal to alpha plus d. So, from this alpha is equal to d minus b. Now, extending to alpha, either this or this you have to find. So, L value which is equal to 2 alpha plus b. Let us put this 2 into d minus b plus b, any 2d minus b. Or you can use right hand limit, any this one x plus d, right, alpha plus d. Alpha is d minus b plus d. This is also 2d minus b. So, what is your answer? 2d minus b. So, first option is the right answer. Left hand limit same answer, right hand limit same. That is why L is equal to 2d minus b. So, we will move for question number 44. Let us see what is question number 44. Question number 44. Again here two different definition for f of x is given. So let us see what are the definition. Sine of 1 plus integer part of x, step x, by step of x. When x not equal to 0, use this definition. When x is equal to 0, 0. Acha, this is given step x not equal to 0. Now, if it is continuous, what is f of x value? Same old method, let us go for limit extending to 0 minus f of x. This is the question given. So, it is very clear, x not equal to 0 means 0 minus will come here, 0 plus also will come here. When x is equal to 0, this. So, we have to make use of this definition. So, let us see that first one. 0 minus sine of 1 plus step x by step of x. If you make use 0 minus there, sine of 1 plus step of 0 minus by step of 0 minus. So, just less than 0, minus 1 to 0, step is minus 1. So, what is your final answer? 1 minus 1 by minus 1. So, 0 by minus 1 result as 0 only. So, option number 2. Second option is the right answer. Now, question number 45. Question number 45. Limit theta tending to pi by 2 1 minus sin theta by pi by 2 minus theta into cos theta. This is first model again. Let us see what we get. Limit theta tending to pi by 2 1 minus cos of pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, sin of pi by 2 minus theta. Now, theta tending to pi by 2 in the sense pi by 2 minus theta tends to 0. Then this become only pi by 2 minus theta. You can remove this sign. So, it become 1 minus cos of pi by 2 minus theta into pi by 2 minus theta. It become pi by 2 minus theta whole square. It is just like limit extending to 0 1 minus cos x by x square, which is already we know 1 by 2. Just I am considering pi by 2 minus theta is equal to some x. So, final answer is 1 by 2, fourth option. Fourth option is the right answer.